boys. And I'm gonna say it's one of the best performance of mine. Kasi gusto kong ipakita sa buong mundo, sa buong Pilipinas na I just want you to know who I am. And lahat ng story ako nandun sa kanta na yan. Feel ko na mas nakaka-pressure ngayon kasi sobrang daming nag-expect na I'm gonna be like Grand Champion 2025. So grabe yung pressure sa akin kasi halos lahat saan ako pumupunta, nagmamall and everything. Pag nakikita ko ng tao, ikaw naman mananalo, ikaw naman mananalo, ganyan. So, nakaka-pressure talaga. Ngayon, gusto ko nang manalo. I wanna be the Grand Champion of the Clash 2025. Ako si Jong Madaliday, ang trending R&B star ng North Cotabato at handa na rin ako maging Grand Champion.
No.
How?
No.
네, 내가 네. 내가
Somebody said you got a new friend. Does she love you better than I can? Yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just wanna see it for myself. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss. Oh. I'm right over here. Why can you see me? I'm giving it my all. I'm with the guy you take home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss them.
Pas ka.
I'm right over here. Why can you see me? I'm giving it my all. I'm the guy you're taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. I keep dancing on my own. But you don't see me
That's one may on ka mata ni bro.
with me.
Dapat na pasar. Ih, nawata ito.
Jong Madaliday! Clash panel! Ano po masabi natin kay Jong?
Jung, thank you so much for that performance. I just want you to know na you are never alone. Everyone here has been watching you from the first season up to now. And we see you. And we see your talent. Thank you, Jung. Thank you.
Jong, na sinabi ko na sa iyo to before, hindi ko alam kung ano yung meron kang magic, but whenever you sing, whenever you perform, you always stir up my soul. Itong performance mo na ito is another heartfelt performance. So thank you, Jong. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Clash